Africa Content TV.
Not only to the policies, but to partnership between governments, industries, academia, traditional institutions, and communities, to ensure that skills are not just taught, but nurtured and applied. Let us envision in Nigeria where our engineers build our infrastructure, our researchers develop homegrown innovations, and our entrepreneurs export quality products proudly stand made in Nigeria. In the word of the Yoruba proverb, there's a popular saying that Agbajowo la fi sọ̀yà, ọwọ́ kan kò gbẹ́rù lórí. This means, in English translation, that a tree does not make a forest. So I would want that we should join hands to ensure greatness, and so that we'll be able to be resilient to achieving a better environment in our industries. The summit marks the turning point in Nigeria's industrial manpower development, and in our collective efforts today ripple into a stronger, more prosperous future for our nation. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Kabiyesi, Ikú Baba Yeye, His Imperial Majesty, Oba Engineer Abimbola Akin Owade, the Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́, Kabiyesi. Thank you so much for lending your voice to this cause, and of course, let us know the great work that Oyo State is doing, especially as it concerns gender equality and women empowerment. As you can tell, that is something that is very close to my heart. As we move on today, our next goodwill message will be